seem to be catching you a bunch of times waking up. What's up with that? Honey? Huh? Mm-hmm. Okay. I'll leave you alone now.
And that he was a drug addict throughout much of their relationship, though he never used marijuana. She said she saw Biden smoking crack cocaine every 20 minutes or so in a Malibu home he had rented in 2018. Remember, the gun was purchased in October 2018? October 2018. Keston left Malibu around September 20.
You believe it, girls? It actually rained. First time in a long time, a couple of weeks, maybe more, that it rained. Now, when I was talking about girls, these are the girls I was talking about. The one with the ears who's laying down is Stella. The one hovering over her is Luna. Hi, Luna. What's up, honey? I don't like to show them all the time because they're my friends' dogs, but these are the dogs that keep Ella from running around the house because we're afraid that if Luna or Stella got a hold of Ella, that would be the end of Ella. I've told that story a few times before. And they're pouting a little bit because it's 6:30 and I'm the only one here. Well, actually, it's almost 7 o'clock because I'm watching Rays and the Cubs and they start at 6:50. Hey, sweetie. It's another day. Another day in paradise. June 12th, 2024. Well, hello again, sweetie. What's up? It's Thursday now. Putting Life with Ella together, just what I'm doing is I'm taking little sound bites and instead of doing like a musical thing like I do all the time, and she's toying with my USB port. Of course she is. Of course she is. She also likes my mouse. See, if I move the mouse, she's got a pounce on it. Right, honey? You like my mouse. Am I wrong? Yep. See, she went for it. And I knew she would go for it. I have to put this away when I'm not on the computer now because she wants to play with the mouse. She wants to play at the mouse when I'm sleeping. Not good. And hello, everybody. Welcome to June 14th, the evening thereof, Flag Day. And former President Trump's birthday. He is now 78. Here's Ella. I'm watching the Rays game. I just came in after watching Jeopardy. They are in a commercial break. And when there's a local, like, Bay Area commercial, they just show this screen. Ella, it's been a quiet week for her. We have our adventures and misadventures. Rays are in Atlanta tonight, or actually Cobb County. Yeah. In a younger era, I live not too far from where the current Braves Stadium is in southeast Cobb County. I lived in Marietta for a little bit. So Ella has been doing fine, but I think you all would be surprised if that wasn't true. Starting to think about her future and the future I have. Got my SSDI hearing on the 25th of July, and after that, things might change a little bit. So Ella's trying to be sweet with me right now. We're in the first inning of the Rays Brave game. Father's Day coming up. Wish you all, well, by the time you all see this at 9 o'clock Eastern on the 16th will be Father's Day. So happy Father's Day, everybody, all the fathers out there. I am not a father and probably won't be. And at 52, I kind of think I missed my shot being a father. Ellie, come on, honey. Ellie is biting my finger here. But at least I got it on, well, they used to say tape. But nowadays they would say, oh, I just got a file of it, guys. As my finger gets in the way again. Sorry, folks. She's just trying to be sweet and trying to play with me. Which she always does. She always does. We have a good time together in here. Looking forward to having her somewhere else where she could have the run of the house again. Braves are off to a flag start. She's biting. She's biting again. She's biting. It's okay, honey. I forgive you. Yes, you're just trying to show me your belly, so you could just grab my and do that. Yes. No, honey. No bites. No bites, young lady. Okay, this is getting out of hand. I better stop the tape right now. So anyway, Ella, we wish everybody well, and hope everybody has a nice week here in the middle of summer. And talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now, everybody.